Hey guys! Welcome to Fat to Fit Formula. I'm so excited to have you here. Whether you're new or a returning subscriber, I appreciate you taking the time to join me today. Today, we're diving into the top 5 weight loss tips that can help you achieve your fitness goals. These tips are designed to be practical and easy to follow, so you can start seeing results without feeling overwhelmed. Losing weight can be a journey, but it doesn't have to be complicated. With the right mindset and a few key strategies, you can make significant progress. We're breaking down simple, actionable steps that you can incorporate into your daily routine to see real results. From meal prepping to incorporating more physical activity, these tips are all about making sustainable changes. Remember, these tips are here to guide you, but always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. It's important to find what works best for you and your unique needs. Get ready to embark on this exciting journey towards a healthier and happier you. Let's get started. I'm here to support you every step of the way, so let's dive in and make those fitness goals a reality. My first tip for you is to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for your overall health and well-being. It keeps your body functioning properly and helps you feel your best every day. Water is your BFF, especially when it comes to weight loss. It helps to flush out toxins from your body and keeps your skin looking fresh and radiant. It's like magic. Drinking water can help boost your metabolism, making your body a calorie-burning machine. When you stay hydrated, your body can perform at its peak, whether you're working out or just going about your day. Not only that, but it also helps curb those pesky cravings. Sometimes, when you think you're hungry, you're actually just thirsty. Drinking water can help you distinguish between the two. You know that feeling when you think you're hungry, but you're actually just thirsty? It's a common mistake, but easily fixed by drinking a glass of water. Water can help you avoid those unnecessary snack attacks. Keeping a water bottle handy can remind you to drink more often and stay hydrated throughout the day. So, grab your water bottle, fill it up, and sip your way to success. Make it a habit to drink water regularly, and you'll see the benefits in no time. Tip number 2 is all about protein, the building block of our muscles. Incorporating more protein into your diet can be a game changer. Protein keeps you feeling fuller for longer, so you're less likely to give in to those tempting treats. Think of it as your secret weapon against cravings. Plus, it helps support muscle growth. And more muscle means more calories burned, even at rest. So, load up on lean meats, fish, tofu, beans, or whatever protein sources you love. Tip number 3 might surprise you. Get enough sleep. That's right, beauties. Sleep is not for the weak, it's for the winners. When you don't get enough shut-eye, your hormones go haywire, leading to increased appetite and cravings for sugary, fatty foods. Lack of sleep can also mess with your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight. So aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Your body will thank you. Tip number 4 is all about getting active. You don't need to become a marathon runner overnight. Every little bit counts. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk or bike to work if you can, or simply dance it out in your living room. Even small activities like these can add up and make a big difference in the long run. Remember, it's all about finding ways to move your body that you genuinely enjoy. My last tip for you is to keep a food journal. It might sound like a chore at first, but trust me, it can be a game changer. Now, before you freak out, it's not about obsessing over every calorie. Instead, think of it as a way to understand your eating habits better. It's simply about creating awareness of your eating habits. When you write down what you eat, you start to notice patterns you might not have seen before. When you track what you eat, you become more mindful of your choices. This mindfulness can lead to healthier decisions over time. It's like holding up a mirror to your eating patterns. You can see what works for you and what doesn't. This awareness can help you identify areas where you can make healthier swaps and stay accountable to your goals. Plus, it can be a great motivator. Plus, it's super satisfying to look back and see how far you've come. You might be surprised at the progress you've made, and it can inspire you to keep going. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and fitness content. Remember, you are strong, capable, and beautiful. Losing weight is not about being perfect. It's about making sustainable changes that bring you closer to your goals. So go out there, rock your journey, and I'll be here cheering you on every step of the way.